Good afternoon. Now here, in previous video I explained inertia of inertia. What is the inertia? So now tell me, do you know what is the inertia? Yes, it is the opposing tendency. It is the resistive nature of the body by virtue of an object, by virtue of it opposes the change in its state of motion, state of rest, or the direction. And now it is known to you that this change is the law of nature. So everything, each and every particle of the universe has the inertia. And due to that inertia, that particle, that object, that substance, that matter opposes the change in its state. Now here, this inertia can be sometimes fruitful. Now this you can observe, this is the handkerchief. And now here if I want, I give the dirt, this gel. In this gel what happened? The dust particles are going to remove. How the dust particles are going to remove? Why the dust particles are going to remove? Or why the dust particle detach from the molecules of this handkerchief? So here, for that, now when I provide the jar, so in that jar, the external force is applied. As the external force is applied, then all the molecules, all the particle of this comes into the motion, and that particles are saying to the dust particle also, you also come along with us. But that dust particle or all the particles don't want to change, but they are, means I am talking about the molecules of the handkerchief, they are attached with the strong force, and this dust particle, that one is attached with the weak force as compared to the other molecule. So that dust particle don't want to go along with them, and that dust particle detached by the inertia of its own. So this detachment is due to the inertia of rest. This is the meaning of the inertia of rest. Now, just imagine you are inside the bus and bus suddenly starts. So here we are holding like this, bus suddenly start and we are going to fall in this way, fall backward. What is the reason of that falling? As the suddenly bus starts, the foot of the passenger, that one is in contact with the floor of the bus. As it is in contact with the floor of the bus, then the lower part of the body comes into motion and the upper part remains at the rest because of the inertia. And because of that rest, because of that tendency, when the bus suddenly starts, we move back. And now, so this is the inertia of rest. Now when bus is running on the road and at the same time the driver applies the brake, in that situation we need to fall in forward direction. As we have to fall in forward direction, it means that the upper part is in motion, the lower part is at the rest. So here, because of the opposing tendency of the motion, our body opposes, and that oppose comes in the form of falling down in forward direction. So second one is the inertia of motion. And when the driver takes the turn, the bus is turning like this. So at the same time we have to bend in opposite direction. Here also our body is not ready for such turn, and in that case what happened? opposing tendency, and due to that opposing tendency it opposes the change in direction. Hope this type of inertia is clear to you. Thank you.